bird feeders. Hi, today we're going to make bird feeders. So what do we need? We need 1 apple, some biscuits. I've got some crackers left over from Christmas, find a digestive biscuit, bread, we don't eat the crust, so the crust will be great, cheese, boo, and we also have some nuts. If you have seeds for the birds, that is also very good. All right, last thing we need is lard to combine it all together. If you don't have lard, you can just throw the seeds and the crumbs and the biscuits. We can mix them all up and you can just put them out a bit at a time for the birds. But otherwise, if you want to make a bird feeder that can hang up in trees, we need lard, okay? So I'm going to break up the bread. Oh, try and get it into little bits while I make a mess. And then you can hopefully use this bird feed to then spot lots of birds in your garden and fill out the bird spotting chart we've put online. You can print it out easily so you can see how many birds you spot in an hour for one day and try and do it the next couple of days and see if you get more birds as the week goes on. So look, bread, done. Biscuits. Once again, break them up. Now I'm gonna have a rolling pin. So with the biscuits, because they're not quite broken up yet, I am gonna try and break them up a bit more. Brilliant stuff. So we now have a few more broken bits in here. So we have bread and we have biscuits. We've got cheese already grated. I'm going to do a bit of a digestive biscuit in here. There's digestive. So, right, so the last item I've got is apple. So I'm going to grate the apple. So I thought that might be an easy way for the birds to eat it. So I've now grated up the apple. Ooh, nice. So we've got our peanuts. I've got a bag. I mean, you don't need to crush them up too much. I'm going to use a bag and got a rolling pin. I'm just going to give them a bit of a hit. And we should have some crushed peanuts. There we go. Yay! So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Can you see them? Oh, I will. So I've got 6 items to put into my bird feed. I've got cheese, I've got bread, I've got crackers broken up, digestive broken up, apple grated and nuts crushed. I've now got a glass bowl out and we're going to add all our mixture in to the bowl. So there's the apple, peanuts, crackers, digestive biscuits, bread and cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh. Right, so I was then just getting the lard out and I suddenly remembered I've got some raisins, so I'm going to add some raisins to mine as well, although they ain't got that many. There. So I've now added raisins to my pot. And that is then that. Now we just need some lard. So I've cut up a little bit of lard and make sure it's really soft. So I'm going to go and put mine on the window, in the pot, on the windowsill for a bit in the hot sun, and hopefully that'll make it a bit softer so I can mix it in with all of this. Okay, I'll be back soon. As you can see, my lard is now quite soft, so I'm going to put that into my bowl like so, and I'm going to start mixing up. Now I only cut a little bit of lard off, but what you might need to do is just do a little bit at a time and then just keep adding if you need more. But I don't know whether I will. Oh, right. So I've now combined it all, and I don't know whether you can see, but it's all combined. Right, so we have made our mixture. So now it's a case of how do we put it outside. So if any of you like yogurts, you can use your empty old yogurt pots and you can put the mixture into there. But at the back of my garden, and I'm now going to rotate the camera so you can see, I have a fir tree, and I believe we have lots of fir cones on the floor, so I'm going to go and grab a fir cone. And there is my fir tree and the oak tree. I've just laid some new grass down. Oh look, there's my first fir cone, so I'm going to grab that. I've got a few more fir cones here. I've got 1, 2, 3. Oh. So if you go for walks today, have a look to see if you can find any fir cones. There's another one. Right, I'm going to grab all of these and then I'll meet you back in the kitchen. Right, so this is take 1. We're going to try this. So I've got 1 fir cone, and this is where I have to get my hands messy, and I'm literally going to rub and squeeze all these seeds into this. Now I've just don't know how the birds will feel about this. We'll see. Right, so my first seed ball is there. I'm going to put that just there to dry. Now, with my second one I'm going to make, I've got some string and I'm going to tie it around the fir cone so we can hopefully tie it to a tree. Oh, so that I can now tie it to a tree. So if you've got some string, that'd be quite useful. I've now got to make sure I don't put the string in all and I leave it poking out. Ooh. the other one that I've been told that you can do if you don't have any fir cones and you don't have any lard is if you have an apple, you can then possibly peel the apple and you can stick things into the apple and hang an apple up for the birds. So you could stick some peanuts in, if you and then hang that up, and the birds will eat the apple as well as all the seeds. So that's quite a fun thing to do. So there's my second seed ball. What I am doing at the moment is putting them, once they're done, into my fridge, just so they can set for a little while before we put them outside to feed the birds. Doing another one with a bit of string. Oh, and if you could share the videos or pictures of your feeders after you've made them, or a picture of a bird eating some of it, that would be amazing. I'll try. I'm hopefully going to put mine out in a bit, and hopefully I'll be able to share some photos of the birds on ours. Fingers crossed they like it. And there's our bird feeder. Just like to say thank you for watching the video. Bye.